We're going to do a song off of that album now. It's a song that was composed by our friend Patrick Landeza, who lives in Berkeley, California.
Patrick has grew up, born and raised in Berkeley, but his ohana comes from over here, from the Laie side of the island here, and on Molokai. He kept strong familial ties to the islands, and when he was a little boy, he asked Santa for a very, very special gift. He said he doesn't want toys, he doesn't want Nintendo games. What he wants is a hula girl for Christmas. Song called Hula Girl Christmas off of our brand new album. So Mr. Reid Del Rosario, everybody, I'm gonna share a hula with you folks. Enjoy this one. Santa Claus is soon to come. My Christmas wish is a special one. No, not toys or Nintendo games. Oh, Santa, my wish is the same. And when you come to the lake, please make some room on your sleigh. And bring a lei for my mom for all to see. And a girl for me. Santa, 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 bring a hula girl this year. And if you get no more room on your sleigh, then put her on a reindeer. And when you get back from your big luau and house of Waikiki, don't forget to bring back a lei for my mom and a hula girl for me. Well, Santa, when I see her dance, her smile makes her shine, and her beauty puts me in a trance. Oh, how I wish she were mine. As she dances gracefully, a hula girl indeed, as her hips sway along and her hands to the song, that's a hula girl for me. Well, Santa, 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 bring a hula girl this year. And if you get no more room on your sleigh, then put her on a reindeer. And when you get back from your big luau and house of Waikiki, don't forget to bring back a lei for my mom and a hula girl for me.
Merry Christmas!
Stocking was custom made, it's the rarest in the world. And when Santa comes by, he'll know it's mine, cause it's shaped like a hula girl. And as she dances gracefully, a hula girl indeed, as her hips sway along and her hands to the song, that's a hula girl for me. Well, Santa, 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 bring a hula girl this year. And if you get no more room out on your sleigh, then put her on a reindeer. And when you get back from your big luau and house of Waikiki, don't forget to bring back the lei for my mom and a hula girl for me. Don't forget to bring back the lei for my mom and a hula girl